Good. Let's go, Oscar. Nigga. So much good. Nigga. So much school goes. 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 School good. Good. It's good. Yeah. Good song. Gonna be the good. Like you all. Good. Me and the rebels are gonna be playing it's getting good. One of my canoes broke. Always happy. Stay. Anything but one day. Play just cause me good. It's good. Go. Just Kelsey. Today's the last day of the week. Good. Friday. Good. It's good. Good. Oh yeah. Good. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. I love toilet paper. Good. Toilet paper. Toilet paper. Who was it? Who was it? Hate that song. That song's actually weird. Goose. I heard of something called the Goods. We found out the Good was good. Beautifully goods. Find out the reason why we did it and we did what we wanted. Why did you think I wanted to become it? That doesn't make sense. You know that? Hopefully you do know that, because I am serious about that. And I am serious about that. Yeah, I am. You want to drive to work, Goose? Can you believe that, Goose? Goose. Go. Let's go. Let's hit the rail. A person at work. Park our engine. Let's go. Why? Just water. Dude. I'm gonna go to the train station today, good. It's good. Oh. What's that noise? I think it's in this guy. Why isn't this guy make that noise? Maybe it's because it's hungry. Ah!
there's finally people, guys. Never seen people in my life. Let's go, we're gonna drive a Rebel jet, guys. Definitely saw that same shadow because we're gonna go get a jet. Look, because what is going on? I don't know why it's doing that. Because it. Why?
We're gonna go over here and do it, Goose. Does it sound like a good idea? Yippity, it does.
Let's go. I'm gonna eat Rico. Oh, oh. It's good. That's really good, Goose. I don't know Rico tastes good. Because Rico really does taste good, Goose.
Because I was such a person. Did you see that?
So we're gonna go to the train station.
I'm so excited. The final steps in the Nation, Texas.
Goes it. Let's go. Let's go to the Innovation, Texas. Texas, guys. Texas. Not Texas. Texas. Innovation, Texas. I meant to say Texas, guys. Oh! What? Goes, I'm gonna go to the train station because my train's coming soon. I need to go hop on. Is it? I need to hop on this bad guy train. You know why, Goose? Because Goose, I need to go do attacks for the rebels. Yeah. I kept finding train. I don't know why, Goose. Because there it is. I'm gonna go wait patiently. I almost missed my ride because I think the train's coming really soon. I don't know when it's coming. Because I see it. I see it. Look, goes. Look. The train's coming, goes. Woo! 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 Let's get on. Hop on. Okay, goes. We hopped on our ride. Look at that train. What is that noise, goods? Because what was the other noise? I do not know what that was, goods. Is there anything up there or something? Goods. What the heck was that? I really did not know what that was. Look, Goose. But we need to hack this train. Look at the other train. Good, I hacked it. I'm getting in trouble when I hack it though. Only if a bad guy sees. I don't think the bad guy saw. He's good. Oh, that train good. The route to me. Let's go, Zip. I'll tell you when our ride. I'll let you know when our ride. I'll let you know when our ride is here. When we get to where we want, where I wanted. Let's go as we got to where we wanted. At the Rebel Base, Goose. Zip. See about Goose, Kid Goose.